In this video, I'm introducing another new addition to the Starbond product line. These are called neodymium or rare earth magnets. They're very powerful magnets that have many uses for home, crafts, hobbies, and even business, and come in one little package with two sizes of magnets, 10 of each of both 3/8 and 1/2 inch sizes. These magnets will be of particular interest to anyone who's using imperial sized tools because they perfectly fit into a 3/8 and 1/2 inch hole size. Here are a couple of holes I've drilled off camera so that you'll be able to see just how well those magnets fit into those imperial holes of 3/8 and 1/2 inch. If you imagine you may want to reuse these magnets for another use later on, I recommend making a small hole through the center of each hole so that you'll be able to dislodge the magnets later on. And this is just how well they fit. A very tight fit in there. And to dislodge those, you just need to push those out just like that. If you're looking for a more permanent solution for the magnets, they can be glued in place either on top or in some pre-drilled holes, either using Starbond 5-minute epoxy glue or a Starbond CA glue. In terms of uses, the internet is full of great ideas, but you probably have your own ideas according to the kind of work or hobbies that you engage in. For more information on these powerful and versatile magnets, visit the Starbond website at starbond.com.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated and see more content like this. Also, feel free to comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.